Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, just how big is all of this? Well, buckle up, because we're about to go on the ultimate cosmic road trip from our home planet to the very edge of the observable universe. And trust me, your mind is about to be blown. Let's start with something familiar. Earth, our home. It feels massive, right? It would take you over a year to walk all the way around it. But in the grand scheme of things, Earth is just a tiny, beautiful blue marble. Now, let's zoom out a bit to our nearest celestial neighbor, the Moon. It's about 238,000 miles away. If you could drive a car to the Moon at highway speed, it would take you about 6 months to get there. But that's just a quick trip around the block. Let's head towards the star of our show, the Sun. The Sun is so gigantic that you could fit 1,300,000 Earths inside it. 1,300,000. And it's about 93 million miles away. That light you see from the Sun? It took over 8 minutes to travel all the way to your eyes. So when you look at the Sun, you're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes in the past. Now, the Sun is the heart of our solar system. Our solar system is a vast collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all orbiting the Sun. To get a sense of its scale, let's imagine our solar system is shrunk down. If the Sun were the size of a basketball, Earth would be a tiny peppercorn about 85 feet away. Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, would be a golf ball about 450 feet away. And Pluto, the famous dwarf planet, would be a tiny grain of sand over half a mile away. The edge of our solar system, the Oort cloud, would be thousands of miles away on this scale. Feeling small yet? We're just getting started. Our solar system, as vast as it is just one of countless systems within our home galaxy, the Milky Way. A galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, gas, dust, and dark matter. Our Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, and it is absolutely enormous. It's about 100,000 light years across. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is nearly 6 trillion miles. So, if you were traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed possible, it would still take you 100,000 years to cross from one side of our galaxy to the other. And how many stars are in our Milky Way galaxy? The estimates range from 100 billion to 400 billion stars. That's more stars than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And many of these stars, like our Sun, likely have their own planets orbiting them. That means there could be billions, maybe even trillions, of planets right here in our own galaxy. Our entire solar system is just a tiny speck of dust in this colossal city of stars. We're located in one of its spiral arms, about 27,000 light years from the galactic center. Okay, take a deep breath. We're about to go even bigger. Our Milky Way galaxy, with its hundreds of billions of stars, is not alone. It's part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. The Local Group contains over 50 galaxies, including our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light years away. That means the light we see from Andromeda today started its journey towards Earth 2.5 million years ago. When that light began its trip, early human ancestors were just starting to walk the Earth. And get this, Andromeda is even bigger than the Milky Way. The two galaxies are actually on a collision course, destined to merge in about 4.5 billion years to form a new, even larger galaxy. But the Local Group is just a small suburban neighborhood in the cosmic city. It's part of a much, much larger structure called the Virgo Supercluster. A supercluster is a massive group of galaxy clusters and groups. The Virgo Supercluster contains over 100 galaxy groups and clusters, and is about 110 million light years in diameter. It contains thousands upon thousands of galaxies, each with its own billions or trillions of stars. Our Local Group is just a tiny, insignificant part of this immense structure. located on its outskirts. Are you ready for the next leap? Even superclusters aren't the biggest things out there. They are part of even larger structures. Our Virgo supercluster is just one lobe of an even more massive supercluster called Laniakea. The name Laniakea means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian, and it's a fitting name. Laniakea is home to 100,000 galaxies, stretching across 520 million light-years of space. Imagine that for a second. 100,000 galaxies, each with billions of stars. It's like a cosmic web, with galaxies flowing along filaments of dark matter towards a central point called the Great Attractor. Our Milky Way is like a single drop of water in a vast river, flowing through this cosmic supercontinent. And now for the final zoom out. Laniakea, as mind-bogglingly huge as it is just one of countless superclusters that make up the observable universe. This is the entire network of galaxies and cosmic structures that we can see from Earth. The observable universe is a sphere with a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. 93 billion. Let that number sink in. Within this sphere, astronomers estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies. 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions upon billions of stars. The number is so large, it's almost impossible for our brains to comprehend. For every single grain of sand on every beach and desert on our entire planet, there are about 10,000 stars out there in the observable universe. And here's the kicker. That's just the observable universe. That is the part of the universe from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. We have no idea what lies beyond that edge. Is it more of the same, stretching on infinitely? Is it something completely different? The honest answer is, we don't know. The universe could be infinitely large, so let's bring it back home. From our tiny blue planet, nestled in a quiet corner of a solar system, which is itself a speck in the vast Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is just one of thousands in the Virgo supercluster, which is just a small part of the Laniakea supercluster, which is just one of countless superclusters in the incomprehensibly vast observable universe. Thinking about this cosmic scale can feel overwhelming, but it can also be incredibly inspiring. It reminds us that we are part of something truly magnificent and mysterious. Every star you see in the night sky is a potential sun for another world. Every galaxy is a city of stars with its own stories. It puts our own lives and problems into perspective and fills you with a sense of wonder. So next time you look up at the stars, remember this journey. Remember that you are living on a tiny, fragile world in an impossibly large and beautiful cosmos. And that's a pretty amazing thing to be a part of. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic tour. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of this cosmic scale blew your mind the most? See you in the next video.